Are you considering a large construction project in the near future? Here in the state of North Carolina, any project that's over $30,000 is going to need a licensed general contractor. And that licensed general contractor is going to make sure that you have all the necessary permits pulled in whichever municipality you're working within. What is a general contractor? A general contractor is a licensed professional that is going to be the quarterback of your construction project. They're going to put the whole entire team together and direct them to get to the ultimate goal, which is delivering your project on time and under budget. It's my interest to see your vision and interpret that into a realistic project that we can then enter into a legal contract and deliver for you. In this video, I'm gonna outline for you 5 reasons to choose a general contractor on your next construction project. First and foremost is experience. My dad's a contractor, so whether I liked it or not, I've been exposed to it from the beginning of my life. So I'm gonna leverage that personal life experience and over a decade of in the field experience to deliver your project right the first time. Reason number 2, project management. Y'all, project management is important. Whichever general contractor you choose is the quarterback you choose for your project. So when you choose me as your quarterback, I make sure all my players are in the right place at the right time so we can reach our victory, which is delivering your project on time and for the budget we agreed upon. I'm gonna oversee every last aspect of your project, from demoing the lot to the final paint touches. As your project manager, I make a point to stay on the cutting edge of all project management softwares, scheduling, email, photo, video, and updates. It's essential that your quarterback can communicate clearly both in the field and in the office as I am today. Reason number 3, money, budgeting. This is a big topic, y'all. Everybody has an idea of what their project should cost. I asked them, what systems do you have in place to come to that conclusion, and what experience are you leveraging for such? I have 7 years of cost tracking that I use to estimate my projects. I don't just napkin scribble them. I use Excel documents that have documented all the past costs that I've paid in the past, and I use that to come up with a fixed price contract that I'll honor within 5% upon signing. This is a big role of a general contractor. They're gonna leverage all their experience to give you a price that is realistic. And with that, you guys are gonna be able to enter into a bonding contract that all parties can honor. A lot of times, this is consistent. You'll hear, oh, well, this guy gave an estimate for cheaper. I would ask, what systems does he have in place for his estimating? And what cost tracking is he using to come up with that estimate? Reason number 4, compliance and risk management. Risk is my game. Anywhere where I can manage risk is a better place for me to be. That's why I love consulting, y'all. I get to do construction, which I love, without being responsible for the end product. Ultimately, when I sign on that line, I'm responsible for delivering what I agreed to. Another role of your general contractor should be, if he's local to whichever region he's working in, to have relationships with people in the county and other people who may be code officials that he would have to deal with throughout delivering your project. This helps to make sure that everything can stay on time and under budget. Bang, the big one. Number 5, last but not least, quality assurance, y'all. What that means is, you've done your due diligence, you've shopped around, you found a general contractor who you believe in to quarterback you through your project. And this guy is managing the risk, he's doing everything, and in the end, he's gonna make sure that that project is delivered in the way that you guys wrote a contract to do. That's the risk, y'all, and he's gonna manage that if he wants to be profitable. Here's a bonus. Where do you find a good general contractor? A Google search should show you a list of licensed professionals. Be sure to check and make sure that they have an active license in which municipality you're working, check their past performance, and check recent references. That should have you well on your way to finding a quarterback for your project. And that's a wrap, y'all. Appreciate you watching the video. If you or somebody you know is interested in remodeling or building a new home in the Outer Banks of North Carolina, be sure to visit my website, modernbuilderobx.com. On that website, you'll be able to get in touch with me so we can discuss your next project. Thanks, y'all. Appreciate it. Till next time. Hey, one last thing. If you are not in the Outer Banks of North Carolina and you like this video, Hey, still reach out to modernbuilderobx.com. I offer consultation. What does that mean? If you have a project that you're undertaking in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, I can oversee it from my computer. I'll make sure that you have hired licensed professionals that you can trust to deliver the project on time and under budget. That's consultation, and I'm here at your service. So be sure to reach out at modernbuilderobx.com. Appreciate it, y'all.